Hi everyone. I'm going to do a short tutorial on how to set up a recurring job template in Servis. Recurring job templates are the way you set up recurring work. So if you do jobs weekly, fortnightly or monthly, you will want to check this out. Firstly, you'll need to jump over to the Jobs module here on the left navigation. That will default you to the Jobs tab, but you can switch over to recurring templates by clicking here. You won't have any set up yet, so let's jump over and create your first. Firstly, you have to pick a customer. Alternatively, you can create one as a part of this process. Next is job name. It will generate as you enter other fields in this form, so I'm going to leave this alone. Next, you need to pick a job type. Job types differentiate the different types of work you do. For now, I'm going to select Standard Clean. If you want to provide some more detailed description about what needs to be done, you can do this here. Let's jump to Schedule and Assign. This is where you specify how often this job is going to happen. I'm going to set this to be each week on Monday. Here, you also need to specify a time. If you are not sure of the specific time, don't worry, this can be changed when you head to the planner. You can also select a worker here if you already know who this work is going to be done by. Down below, you can also control when this job will start and stop generating. By default, the recurring template will have no end date, which means it will keep generating until someone deletes it. To verify what I did above is going to produce what I expect, there is this preview table. This is a useful tool, especially for more complicated recurring templates. To finish up, I could optionally set up invoicing or add services or materials. For now though, I am going to move on and hit Save and View. And just like that, you have created your first recurring job template. Hopefully, that has helped get you comfortable enough to jump in and start creating your first one. Thanks!